Welcome to Indian Institute of E-commerce. This is a plug-and-play e-commerce export startup opportunity. Be till end of this video because you'll learn a lot of things about how to export products from India to the global market, which will be high profit, semi-automated business for you. I'll be providing you the e-commerce store builder. I will provide you the suppliers. I'll provide you everything as a plug-and-play ready-made business opportunity. So this business you can get started immediately because these products, we have a lot of manufacturers who do handloom pillow covers, and you can see cushions, decorative cushions, designer cushion covers, embroidery cushion covers, all this what you see. This itself can be a business opportunity where we can list all these things into an e-commerce store and start focusing on doing B2B sales and B2C sales. Let me show you the statistics and facts in Amazon.com. This is Amazon.com. And when I just write cushion, you can see 7,000 sales, $27, 20,000 sales at $19, 4,000 sales, $15. Just think, this is not just one time sale. This is like the monthly sale that's happening. Look at this. Just think, 1 lakh people paid about $19.99, almost 30,000 people bought the last month. Now these are the reviews, but the number of people buying are so many, but they don't give reviews. So we just calculate, like, if assuming the fact that if 1 lakh people have paid $20, means $2 million worth of business this person has generated by just selling this thing. Now this is the power of selling products online. $32 product, 8,000 sales last month and 1 lakh reviews. Just see, 2,000 sales last month, 3,000 sales last month. So do you really want to make some impact in your life? If yes, then I want you to get started with a business with me. With this ready-made plug-and-play business opportunity, you can transform your life completely because this e-commerce business opportunity is very profitable. You can make 40 to 50 lakh rupees a month itself. The potential revenue is about 4 to 5 crores. I'll give you the e-commerce store builder where you can just design the website how you want. It is very easy. No technical knowledge is required. It's very simple to build. Just name the store, add the products, and start selling the products. So these cushion as well as the bedding products have very good demand in the global market. So you can learn about the e-commerce business from me. You can build your own D2C brand and you can learn digital marketing, very effective digital marketing strategies I'll be teaching you so that you can simply get started with sales. I myself having my e-commerce store. You can see $1 million plus sale I'm doing in e-commerce with exports. This is my last 30 days of sales, and this is my lifetime of sales. This is not a screenshot, this is the real one. And this is the e-commerce store builder that I'll be giving you so that you can design it by yourself. I'm also going to give you softwares and tools of digital marketing so that you can install these SEO software, digital marketing software, live chat software, AI software, so that you can upgrade the e-commerce infrastructure and more people can buy products of you. Same if you go to settings and you see that this is my domain, I'll give you your domain name.com. We can choose one of the best domain name which you want, an attractive domain, and then we can add staff members. We can also directly collect payments, and I will also give you SEO software. I will also give you functionality so that people from across the world can contact you because it will have multi-language support. So everything included in a package you can get. So this is a mentorship program by Indian Institute of E-commerce. Before talking about mentorship, let me tell you it's a fully affiliated government registered institution, which is a public-private partnership by Ministry of Education's NEET, NEAT, cell by IIEC, and we already have partnership with Alibaba, Amazon, and EDII and Tata Group and many more partners. I'm personally so much passionate to train entrepreneurs about e-commerce. I previously worked with Alibaba Group and Amazon, and I have experience working with many e-commerce export entrepreneurs, and this is where I feel confident to train you guys on how you can start your own e-commerce business with the store builder that I will be giving you. So this is the plug and play online business program where you will be mastering the art of digital marketing and online sales with certified e-commerce professional. This program is one of the best in the world, I would say, because we have integrated every single thing what is required to build a successful e-commerce business from scratch with the right approach of digital marketing automation, lead generation, growth hacking strategies, social media marketing, and search engine optimization strategies. You will be able to learn how to create different types of content and make sales of the products. This strategy will help you to sell on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and many more sites, including IndiaMart and many more sites, where including your own sites everywhere. Except this, I'm also giving you certifications, 17 certifications bundle, practical live training with lifetime access, update, and support from our IIC's expert team members. So whether you're a student, working professional, business owner, we are always here to help you with the skills that is required to learn e-commerce and digital marketing effectively. With this all-in-one program, you will be able to learn and master the art of sales. So we are giving you this recorded contents plus live study material plus ebooks, white papers, case studies, and many software tools. So we were talking about this crazy business opportunity where people are making millions of dollars of sales of products that can be exported from India. I want you to think what business is interesting for you. I will guide you in that. I will provide you an e-commerce business program where I will teach you about all the different business opportunities, and whatever the business you want, you can get started with this and we'll make it successful with this mentorship program that IIEC is giving you. With this plug and play e-commerce store builder, you will have your own startup, your own brand. So whether you are a working professional or an entrepreneur, you should get started with your own brand e-commerce business where you can export these products and make successful transactions and sales and make a profit out of it. So get started with this plug and play ready-made business opportunity today with IIEC. So this mentorship program that I'm giving you is an all-in-one program with 17 certifications included in this, and also you can raise investment funding. I have access of many investors where you can directly connect and start pitching about your startup also. I will provide you the contact of suppliers, buyers, investors, and at the same time the store builder, everything in this plug and play store, where this is going to be little cheaper than the market, because in the market people are going to charge at least 25-30 lakh rupees. Here it is just this much, that's all. So this is the ready-made business opportunity that you should consider joining in. And if you want to pay in EMI, you can simply click on the EMI option, use your email ID and phone number, and if you have a credit card, it's very easy to convert this into a 24 months EMI. Just click on EMI, click on credit card, select the bank and choose. So you can have less than 5,000 rupees per month. That's all. So in less than 5,000 rupees per month, you can get started with such a great business opportunity where you can get this plug and play e-commerce store, access of different modules so you can learn that which business is best for you, access of the recorded contents, access of the live classes, and bundle of 17 certifications plus practical training with lifetime access update and support, all inclusive in a single program. So don't delay, join this business opportunity today so you can transform your financial future with e-commerce exports.